Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Lamatamang. Today I bring for you all a classical bechamel sauce recipe. Please do watch video until the end and follow the ingredients instruction. Enjoy with your family friends at your home or workplace. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। आज भने तपाईहरु माझमा मैले अ क्लासिकल बेसमेल ससको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु र भिडियोलाई अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर तपाईले साथ दिनुहोला र यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर घरमै पनि विभिन्न किसिमका प्रकारहरू बनाएर तपाईले इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ भने तपाईले आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि यो रेसिपीलाई प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ है त। A classical bechamel sauce recipe ingredients for 2 cup of sauce: 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 2 cup milk. Whole milk is the best, but you can use 2% milk. Half teaspoon salt, adjust to taste. 1/4 teaspoon white pepper or black pepper if preferred. Optional, a pinch of nutmeg for traditional flavor. Instruction: make the roux. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour whisk continuously for 1-2 minutes until the mixture is smooth and slightly foamy. Do not let it brown. Add the milk. Slowly pour in the milk while whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Continue to whisk until the mixture is smooth. Simmer and thicken. Bring a gentle simmer. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, whisking frequently until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Seasoning: stir in the salt, pepper and optional nutmeg. Taste and adjust seasoning. Tips: for an extra smooth sauce, warm the milk before adding into the roux. You can strain the sauce through a fine sieve if you want to ultra-silky. This sauce can be used immediately or cooled for storage in a refrigerator for up to 3 days. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always to visit my profile, have a look, many more recipes are there and enjoy with your family friends. So many people are sending me message. I want to see this recipe, that type of recipe. I want to tell you that please, before asking me a question, better visit my profile, go to my wall and have a look. Recipes and many more posts are there. If did not find it what you looking for recipe, you can send it to me direct message or comment any of my posts. Later on I try to create for you, upload it to my Facebook wall. Thank you very much. Love you all. Stay healthy, stay safe.